Hi, I'm Eunice. Today I'm going to share with you a useful English learning website. It is called BBC Learning English. I will briefly introduce 3 functions on this website. At first, we will click on courses, and then you will see a lot of courses on this page. You can choose a course that is based on your level. In this page, you will find many episodes. You can play the video to learn English. The website provides the words that appear in the video, and also you can find a transcript for you to follow the content. At the end of the course, you can download a worksheet for you to review what you have learned from this course. In the next part, you can learn grammar by reading, listening, watching, and studying with a lecturer. The website provides grammar explanation and how to use them in a sentence. After watching the video, you can evaluate how much you have learned by taking the quiz. Finally, I want to share about podcasts. You can find 6 minutes English podcasts on website or Spotify. You can train your listening skills by listening to different kinds of topics. Overall, BBC Learning English provides an opportunity for you to learn English step by step. There are tons of interesting content waiting for you to explore. You can learn English anytime and anywhere. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.